welcome to the Crafty Sew and So vlog. I'm Freya and today I'm going to be sharing with you some sewing plans I'm making. We've just released our newest pattern, the Homebody Joggers, and we released those under our brand name, My Handmade Wardrobe. You can find these patterns as well as our full range of patterns on our website at craftysew&so.com. So the Homebody Joggers are the ultimate casual jogger trouser. They are so comfortable and they've got nice big pockets, a relaxed slimline look, and I am going to make so many of them, I can already tell. I've made a pair for the test and the sampling, and now it's time to make some just for my own wardrobe. I'm going to be making some for me, and I'm going to be making some for my husband and for my children. My children's ones I'll obviously be using a different pattern, but I do feel like having a full set of family jogging bottoms is an essential. We spend a lot of time relaxing at home and going on nice walks, and comfortable trousers are perfect for both of those things. So, I've got some fabrics to share with you today. Here is my stack, and yes, I like to sew to a colour palette. So I talked to my husband and he really wanted a pair of navy joggers. So I've got this super soft navy sweatshirting fabric from our website, and I've got 1.5 meters of that. I am going to need to lengthen his joggers, so I had to buy a little bit extra to make sure I can get them out of that length. I've also picked up some red flecked jersey, so this has a bit of texture to it, and this is going to be used for some contrast detailing. I'm going to use the red in the pockets and the cuffs just to give a bit more interest to otherwise a very classic and plain pair of joggers. I won't need very much of the red for the detailing for his joggers, so I'm going to use what's left for a pair for my eldest daughter, who's really excited to have a nice pair of red joggers that Mummy made. I'm also going to make myself a couple of pairs of joggers. So first of all, I'm going to make myself some really nice blue ones. So blue is a colour I found a lot in my wardrobe. I know I'm going to get a lot of wear out of these, and I thought I'm just going to do them straight in one colour and keep them simple. So that is the blue marl jogger fabric. So that is the blue marl sweatshirting fabric, and you can find that on our website as well. The other hack I'm going to be doing with the joggers is I'm going to be making myself a pair of jogger shorts. So we haven't included a cut-off line on the pattern, but you can use the same pattern and decide how long you want the shorts to be yourself. I'm going to keep mine kind of mid-thigh, so a few inches on the leg, and I'm going to make them in this fabulous sunny yellow fabric, which I know I'm going to wear a lot in the summer. I've taken 1 meter of this, which is going to be more than enough, and if I'm able to, I'm going to squeeze out a pair of mini joggers for my 1-year-old as well. As I say, we're all getting joggers in this family this spring. What I love about sweatshirting fabric is it's actually endlessly versatile. So the top I'm wearing here is the cozy jersey dress, also by My Handmade Wardrobe patterns and available on our website. And this is a sweatshirting as well. This is a brushed back one that I made a few years ago from fabric that we sold, and I absolutely love it. I grab this whenever I need an extra layer or something a bit cozy to wear when I'm working from home. This fabric, any sweatshirting fabric, is going to be ideal for the joggers pattern, so you can really kind of go to town with prints, plains, colour matching and using different prints. These joggers are a really fast make, so I'm hoping to get the fabrics washed today, and then if they are dry by tonight I might even be able to start cutting out. I expect I'll be able to get a couple of pairs made over the next few evenings, so maybe we'll even have joggers to wear this weekend, which would be great. We've had some sickness in our family over the last week, so we've all been wearing the most comfortable clothes, and really I could have done with making these joggers like a week ago, but c'est la vie, here we are. Hope I'll have them ready for next time. Hopefully there's not a next time, of course. So we've released an adult size joggers pattern, so I'm going to go onto Pinterest and find myself a mini version for the girls. I need something that spans 18 months to 6 years for them, so I'm sure I'll find something on Pinterest that'll do the job. I have been told by my 5-year-old that having pockets is absolutely essential. So, you know, we're all on the same page there. At Crafty Sew and So and My Handmade Wardrobe recently, we've definitely had a focus on comfort sewing. So we've been making the 3x3 tees, lots of joggers for samples. We've been making cozy jersey tops, including the new add-on pack. So that's been really good. And we've just had this very nice kind of snuggling down feeling, and it's definitely this rollover from the pandemic and lockdown, but now we've gotten used to wearing comfortable clothes. I don't think we're going to stop anytime soon. Thank you so much for watching my plans. As I say, I'm absolutely sure that I'm going to be able to get at least one pair of joggers done in the next week, maybe 2, maybe 3. Oh, fingers crossed for 4. And when I've got them done, I will be back to show them off. I will have 2 adult size and 2 tiny size joggers to share with you. And I'll also let you know what pattern I found for the children's size ones, so that if you wanted to make yourself and your whole family a set of joggers, you know where to get all the patterns. I hope you really enjoyed watching my vlog today, and if you have, don't forget to subscribe. We post videos every couple of weeks, everything from sewing plans to tutorials to inspiration to behind the scenes. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Happy sewing! Goodbye!